YouTube family. I hope everybody's doing very, very well. Sorry I didn't do a video in a very long time. I just been busy with things like growing up, making lots of friends, dealing with all our problems, dealing with my brother, helping my mom with house chores, and just being a 6-year-old. I had the awesome birthday party at last weekend. Let me show you a little bit. I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang. Won't let them.
Hey, Dad, guys.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, he's probably prettier on this side if you want to take a picture on the other side.
Hello. Hello.
That's amazing.
I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Water's here.
A little bit of my super cool party. And now I want to open some toys. Come with me. It's my 6th birthday. And I wanted to open one toy from you. And I want to do it in front of you guys. So let's just keep on going. Okay. So this is a LOL. And when my friends give me it, I don't remember who gave me it, but I just want to open this one. And I never got this toy. This is my first toy. I really wanted this always. So I'm just gonna take this out and whoa! Look what we have here. We have a headband. We have some glasses, I think for the LOL, I think. And we have a clatter. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's a clatter. And let's just leave those bags here. Oh, and I have this. Now let's just take this big thing out. It's hard to take out. Oh my. I'm just gonna push it from here and we got out. And I just need to take off this plastic. Let's just open it. I think it'll just be easier thing. From the same side. How do we take this out? Okay, there's tape. Whoa! inside. That just do us. And it's a hamster. It looks so cute. And you see that and you hear that? I bet some things are inside. Let's try. Ooh. I gotta open. So we got this bag. It's small. Bag. Let's see. Oh, we got a little scoop for the sand. I think we have sand. I don't know. It does feel. It just stopped. Ooh. We got two of these. Let me just come a little closer so you can see them. You got two of them. And then, let's keep on opening it. We got a lot of stuff in here. Looks like, I don't know. Whoa. Oh, it's a little clover. Nice. Let me just show you. It's this. Look that. Okay, and I don't know how to put this on, but it will look so cute. Oh, it looks so cute. And I have to put this here. Oh, I feel it. What is it? No. It's not, it doesn't open, but it's cute. See, guys? Now, put it here. There's still more stuff, like Benjamin stuff. Ooh. Oh, whoa, look at the cute little glasses. What are these glasses for? I don't know. Let me just show you. I don't want to eat that. Now let's open. Oh, I put this here. I forgot. Now, a couple more things. Ooh, this feels small. I wonder what it is. Oop. Here. I can open it. Oop. Where's that?
You have to talk a bit louder. Nobody's going to be able to hear you.
Oh, where is it? Oh, I found it. Ooh. I don't know what it is. I think it's a little bracelet. See, it's small, but that's good. A couple more bags. Oh. That's so big. Okay, there's a scarf too. Whoa! It's another big collar. Do you see, guys? Yep. Okay. Now let's put it back here. Now, another bag. Just gonna take all the bags out. I'm just gonna take all the bags out. So, oh my. Ooh, see? I see. Ooh, what's this? Oh, let's see. Later. Ooh, there's something inside here. Whoa! What is this? And there's more stuff. I just opened the bag. Wow! It's a chewable? Okay, I think it's a chewable. Yeah. Okay. And you guys see it? Okay. Now, there is, ooh, what's this? Okay, it looks like it's, what's called another collar. Oh my, this is a little thing. I don't know what it is, but this is so cute. Like, look at it. You can do stuff with it. Like, there's other things on it. There's a little heart, guys. Let me show you. Okay. Looks like a little thing for it. And now, let's open these. this now, okay? So let's get one of, I'll just get this one, because this one looks cute. Okay, I'll just use it with my hands. This is so cool. Inside, whoa. What is that? I don't know what it is, and but let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think it's a baby. Dingo, no, it's a baby. I think it's a baby. Baby, I think it's a baby LOL. But let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, oh, it is a baby, and it looks like a hamster. Oh, it's a dog. It's a dog. No, that's kitty. It's a dog. Oh. Wait, I think it's a dog. Yeah, it's a dog. Oh my, look at it. It's so cute, right, guys? Oh, there's a pink sand. I feel things in there. Okay. Look. Okay, I just took it all out so it's easier. Oh. Okay. Oh my, I actually found something. It's a baby hamster. Oh my, this is so cute. Like, oh. Look at it. There's a baby hamster and a dog. Boop. Now, let's keep on going. Let's open this blue box. Okay. Now, oh, I think there's some tape. Okay, there's no more tape. How do I take this off? Okay, I know how. Whoa, it's a pink slide. Oh, pink. Probably a pet. It's probably a pet. It has a little pinky there. I don't know what it's called. Pinky. Yeah, I think it's a pinky. Choo-choo or something? I don't know. Oh, I see two little eyes there now. Oh, now I see a little body. Looks so cute. Let's see if I can get it out now. Here's everything that we got in the bag. So first, we found this in the bowl, like in this, and we can also turn it into a piggy bank. And second, we got another collar, and this is so nice. Like, wow. Third, there's another collar, and then fourth, this is the little cute little notebook. Oh, cute one. And then I was doing about that. Second, there's another glasses. Take me fourth. Then, and then second again, we got this. Third, then second again. Just didn't get it in a pattern. I'm getting first. There's another tiny baby LOL. And then second, there's another tiny baby LOL. And then third, another tiny baby LOL. Then, yep, this last one. Then, yeah. This is another cooler thing. It's called a VTech watch. My auntie got it for me. It's one of my favorite toys. It has a few games on it, and you can take like this, and then when you press it, and then it copies. You hear it? And also and then you can also make double, and you can take videos. You can take pictures. I don't know very all about it because it's still brand new. So check it out if you can. Thank you for watching my video again. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.